My name is Arlene Garcia. Today's date is November 23rd, 2019, and today's video lab exercise is for week 5, the respiratory system. In this lab exercise, I will use a balloon. I will use a measuring tape, and I will be using my phone as a timer, and I have my lab report assistant printed out so I could go ahead and enter my information on there. And what I will start off is by counting the number of breaths in 30 seconds, and that's where I'll be using my timer. And one inhalation and one exhalation is equivalent to one breath. So I will go ahead and start my timer and for 30 seconds, and I'll count the number of breaths. Okay, so I counted 8 breaths in 30 seconds, and I will enter that information or write that down on my lab report assistant. So I entered that on trial 1, number of breaths. So I will repeat that process for 3 more times to enter trial 2, 3, and then I will average that, and I will also get an average number of breaths per minute, so I will do that there. And the second thing that I will be doing is with my balloon, I'll be stretching it out. And I have already previously blown into it and stretched it out, but I will be doing it one more time. So I will blow into it at its full capacity to stretch it out more. And as we can tell, the balloon is at an egg shape. And when I measure my circumference of one normal breath, I will be putting this at a table so it could be flattened out to measure the circumference. So with this air that I blown into it, I will release it. And now that it's stretched out, I will breathe one more breath in here. So this, I will go ahead at the neck of the balloon, just tie it around, and with my measuring tape at the centimeters, I will place it down because to get a flatter shape here to measure it at the circumference. So in centimeters, I will wrap this measuring tape. So I got 43 centimeters. So I will let this air out and write that on my circumference here, trial 1. So I'll enter that there, and then I will repeat that 2 more times, and then I'll get the average again. And then I will also get the average radius and the volume at rest too with with these two equations. So to get the average radius, I will go ahead and enter my information and calculate it. And to calculate the average volume of the balloon, I will also the second equation here. So after I do that, I will finish this part here, and that will be it for this video lab exercise. Thank you.